Well, crime scene tape still lines an apartment complex in Pullman tonight, 24 hours after police found a 58-year-old Sammamish man dead. KXLY4's John Hendricks spoke with neighbors today and has the story.
It's described as a somewhat quiet neighborhood near the campus of WSU, but Saturday afternoon, it was anything but.
It's just bizarre. It's just shocking.
Pullman police were called to the C Street apartments on a report of a domestic disturbance between a father and son. Teddy Roy lives up the street and watched as police swarmed the area.
Next thing you know, there's like 4 cop cars that just were whizzing by, and then an ambulance rolled through, and then a fire truck was down here, and then you got cops, checking like yards and like knocking on houses. It was a weird situation.
Pullman police say when they arrived, they found 58-year-old Virgil Ludden laying on the floor of his son's apartment, unresponsive. Paramedics tried to revive him, but were unsuccessful. Police say he had suffered a head wound, but are waiting on an autopsy to determine an exact cause of death. They arrested the victim's 24-year-old son, Eric Ludden, and charged him with the murder.
Just the fact that someone was actually murdered it's just crazy to think about, that it happened 2 blocks from not 2 blocks, but 2 houses from where I live. So everyone's just, shocked. Like nothing like that has happened here in a number of years, so it's just, weird to think about.
Ludden will make his first court appearance here in Colfax at the Whitman County Courthouse. As for a motive, investigators are still trying to figure that out. Reporting in Colfax tonight, John Hendricks, KXLY 4 News.